You're back in theater. How does it feel to be always back dito sa ano mo, sa pinakatahanan mo?
Yeah, my first love basically. Laging exciting and laging may bagong natututunan kaya mas ganado na magising sa umaga, pumunta sa theater and mag-rehearse. And of course, doing it with this group pa, parang mas lalo ko na-enjoy yung proseso.
Sabi mo nga first love ang theater, no? What's with theater that you love the most?
Well, I think it's the purest form of the art form, the craft na you can experience. This is how acting started. This is how storytelling started as well. So to experience it in this way, parang mas maraming mas marami ako natututunan and mas marami ako natutunan not just about the craft but even with myself.
Yung unang run nitong Dagitab a few months ago, well uploaded, grabe yung ano no, yung mga comments and sold out. Now that you're back for a rerun, may pressure ba on your part and kila Miss A na to do it again after the success of the first run?
Definitely, pero actually mas excited kasi nabitin kami dun sa run namin, limited show lang kasi dahil may kanya-kanya kaming mga kinabibisihan. And to perform this piece, yung text kasi nito, yung script, sobrang sarap sabihin, sobrang sarap i-perform. So the fact that we're all together again, tas different venue naman, a bigger space, mas nakaka-excite and mas nakakapag-explore kami ano pa yung mga pwedeng bago. So kahit rerun na lang to, meron na ring mga bago na nadadagdag.
Speaking of bago or different, anong difference nito dun sa movie, sa Sinimalayang movie where it was first shown a few years ago and now with this stage adaptation?
Well, yung itong play kasi it's adapted and directed by Galan Valera Luarca, who's one of the great theater practitioners working right now. And producer din namin yung writer-director si Giancarlo Abrahan. So, nag-collaborate naman sila with consent naman lahat to. The plot points are basically the same. But syempre, the text and how it's performed kasi theater na siya and mas immediate na, mas urgent na siya.
Mas tagos sa puso nga raw eh.
Yes.
Kapag teatro, yun nakita ko sa mga comments.